How to add a product to wish list on Temu. Let's get started. Launch your Temu app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You will land to the home page. Now in this page, you're going to find different items. Here towards any of the item that you want to save to the wish list. Or in the case you cannot find the item over here, at the very top you're going to see the search box. Over there you can just type in the name of the item that you want to save to the wish list and then search for it. With that, item will appear. After item appears, click on it. Then scroll down. You're going to find details of the item. Likewise, you will see the option of product details, and at the right corner of it, you're going to see the option of save. You have to click on that. With that, heart will turn to the orange, and then you'll get this pop-up save to wishlist. Now I can head back. By applying the same process, you can save any of the item to the wishlist. Once you are done, you can click on the option of view. Now here you're going to find different sections. Click on the option of wishlist, and under this section you're going to find all the items that you have saved to your wishlist. So this way you can easily add a product to wishlist on Temu. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.